Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about something different, a little different from the tab, but it's still we're inside the nav, so we're going to talk about the nav. So the UL, and inside the UL, first of all I'm just going to make the LI. Okay, inside the LI you can do other things too, like the A tag and the other stuff. I need the A tag, in here the hyperreference first, and then basically it is done. But now we're gonna put the bootstrap stuff here. So the UL, the class nav space nav pills. Now I need to go down and the class nav link. Okay. Oh, item, the link will be added here. Class nav link, save it. Now I'm just gonna go there and the saving it, and then the other stuff like the nav link, and then link one. It's not the tabs, it's the pills, a little difference between them. The li again, the class spelling must be clear, nav item going down, and a, and hyperreference space class nav link, save, and now link 2. Saving back and going to the browser again and refreshing that, and now you can see that the link 1 and the link 2. Okay, we've got that, but are these things pills? We need to confirm that if it is the pills, the nav pills. Okay, everything is fine. I need to go to the next step. Actually, what step I just want to do for now is putting the data inside them. Right after the UL, the div in there, space, and the class tab content. Still we are in the link, we are on the pills, but we need to put the tab content for the content. It's the rule of the Bootstrap 4. So the div class, the tab pane here, class, and then the container class, and the data inside that. Data is something like this is the pills data. Save it. Okay, here I need to put the ID, and the ID is gonna be the pill 1, and this is gonna be the pill 2, and I'm just simply gonna copy that and paste that here. Pill 2. Okay, pill 2, pill 1. This looks more good, and now refresh that. Now when I just click there, I cannot see anything. That means, yeah, I'm just missing something here. I need to put that off. So first of all, I need to go there and the data toggle tab. The same thing I need here too. Tab, save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that, and now click there. You can see that the tab pill 1, pill 2, this is the pills. This is almost like the tabs, but with the Bootstrap based on designing, so the designing of this is a little changed. That's why it's looking like that. So that's why it's different from the previous one. Otherwise it's almost the same like what we just learned in the previous lecture, so it's all good. In the next lecture we're going to talk about something more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.